Əlbəttə, bazen çiçek açıp. Never mind, that's a beautiful song by Candan Erçetin, Turkish singer. Because in Master Azerbaijani word of today we have that word, əlbəttə. It's a little different pronunciation-wise from Turkish, just a little. But əlbəttə. Did you notice? Bette. You wrote, but I said bette. Let's keep going. It means, of course, certainly, for sure. All right. Of course, certainly I will come. Sure, you can take. Let's see what do they mean. Əlbəttə means for sure, of course. That's just straightforward. Əlbəttə gələcəyəm. Gələcəyəm, I will come. Əlbəttə götürə bilərsən. Götürə bilərsən, can take, may take. Want to explore more sentences? Let's see. Əlbəttə, tez gələcəyəm. Did you notice? Gələcəyəm, gələcəyəm. Let's see. Of course, I'll come early. Gələcəyəm. Gəl, come. Gələcək, he or she will come. Gələcəyəm, I will come. Spoken language, let's go back, is gələcəyəm. Now, very short and easy sentence. Of course, I will come early. But guess what? There is no I. You don't need to because the suffix at the end of gələcəyəm, that means I'm the one who's coming. Let's see one more sentence. Əlbəttə ki bu plan işləyəcək. Now, of course, this plan will work. Plan is a loan word. Hence you see it very close. It's just pronounced a little different. Plan, plan. Bu plan, this plan. İşləyəcək, will work. İş, work. İşlə, work. That is like work it out, someone, you say imperative word, work. İşləyəcək, will work. All right, today's word was əlbəttə, but I have some more. Running late again, əlbəttə. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to learn more, I have an app called masterazerbaijani.com available in App Store and masterazerbaijani.com, of course, to check out. But if you just go to masterazerbaijani.com, to be honest, it will direct you to both. Cheers.